Good morning. This is Joyce, and I'm just here because I wanted to do a early morning chat. And you know, I normally do those in my car, but at the moment I am inside trying to get some things done and finish up some projects. I have my little stamp giveaway, and I have to I just got so behind, so I am working on that, and I want to get that up tonight. And as you can see, I'm trying to work on getting my life organized. I have my journal, which I have not done anything. I finally finished my new calendar for the next 6 months, and so I'm glad that that's done. But how do you like that new cover? I am loving it. I used, this is from Tonic. This is one of the new dies that I recently got. And when I cut it, I put it on the square, the 6x6 adhesive. It took a little more for it to cut through that, but I didn't want to be having to use a liquid adhesive on the back of it, so I did that, and I'm really glad I did. And this gold circle is just some paper that I had on my desk. I had cut it for another project. And then these sticker hearts just came from some stickers I had been working with on some artist trading cards that I did. So I just pulled out a few of them, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna put here, but I left that because I wanted to put some wording. And this beautiful lady here is from Kenny K. Yes, I bought up some stamps when he was closing his store, and I've owned a lot of them because I use them for my granddaughters and stuff, so I've got quite a few of his digital images. And so she was one I bought because, you know, you couldn't hardly find pretty stamps or images for the big girls, you know. I'm healthy, come on now. So she was just one that I just really fell in love with, and I use her a lot. So that's that, but that's my new calendar. It started for May, and it'll go till November. And as you can see, I have been using it. I do like decorating my pages, even though I don't do the video plan with me as much anymore. But so I've just done a few of them in advance because it just makes my life easier. I am on furlough this week, so it's time to get organized. Like, this is my healthy journal, and honestly, I haven't written anything in it or added any updates since March 4th. So I really want to get caught up on that. Those are some pictures. And that date is wrong. That should have been 2019, and then we did these in February. So those are just some updates of my progress, and as you can see, I haven't done anything. So the goal is to get that updated and catch up on that. And then my journal, I am so bad that way, and I try to do it daily, but you know, stuff get in the way, okay? So I am behind there, but a lot of things I do right here so that I can transpose them. And this is all my, I wanted to add the coronavirus stuff going on and when it started and stuff. And oh, I did my census. I did get that done. Still got to do taxes. And then I just went in and looked it up to see where it started and how it started. And this is the little booklet that I got from it, about 8 pages. And then letter from my company pertaining to that. And this is the letter from the White House telling me that I was getting a stimulus check. And so those are things that I want to add to my journal. I'm going to cut them down so they'll fit better. But those are things that I'm going to add to my journal for the year. And like I said, I'm behind. This is March 2nd. But like I said, a lot of days it's just not a lot going on, and I just do my thoughts. But I want to get better at this. So anyway, that's that. And then my budget, and I was looking for, this is stuff from the doctor bills and stuff. I want to do a cover, and I couldn't find my gold letters, you know, since I got gold rings. But this is my budget book, and I've started for May, so I've got to get it updated for May. And that is making a car payment probably. Yeah. So I've got to get this set up for May, although I've already started paying the May bills. So yeah, so today is Get Yourself Organized Day and get things caught up. So, and how did I mess up my phone screen? I bought this screen, and unfortunately this piece is plastic. Something got on there. I don't know if it was glue or whatever, and I've only had it a week. And when I tried to pick it off, it put a hole in my screen. And this is one of those that I can't see. I got it on, but for whatever reason, I'm not getting it off. So I'm going to contact a customer because I'm used to my screens being more sturdy than that. If you get something on it, it comes off, but this actually put a hole in it. And I'm just like, really? I am so done. So I need it, and it's irritating because every time you go to do something, it just irritates. So anyway, I'm gonna try to get that worked out. But guys, yeah, if you're like me and just get behind on these things that you really want to do them, and it just like it don't get done when it should, let me know. But also I want to say, if you watched my organizing my small stamps video, I am working on that, and we'll have the drawing later today. I just haven't got all the names put into the bucket, so I'm going to get that done, do a video, pack up the stamps and stuff, and when I go into the office Monday, I'm going to do this before that. I'm going to check on the post office. I need to go to the post office to be able to mail it, but I may end up just going by my office because I got to go in and get work for next week. And anyway, I will get this taken care of just as soon as possible, because you know these post offices is just like, okay. And my sister had to go in to take care of something really important. Well, she didn't even get there. She went by it, and it was backed up. And then people were not keeping the 6 feet apart, and you know, people were rude. And I'm just like, you know, I ain't got time. I got my life, and I need to get my life together. And this is a good time because I am off all week and I didn't have to use my vacation time. So guys, stay tuned. This was just a little chat about things, and I just need to get back to work. So guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you, and like I said, I will have that drawing ready shortly. Bye guys.